Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Bezzera espresso machine, and the customer just wanted us to address the issue with it not heating. So what we did is all we had to do was reset the switch on the bottom, and now the machine's ready to go. So let's go ahead and pour a shot. Our coffee's kind of old right now, and we should be getting a shipment in today or tomorrow, hopefully. So it's going to pour kind of fast, potentially. Actually looks decent. Not quite as much crema as I like, but actually does look pretty good. I'm going to test the steam. Good strong steam. And you can see the pressure gauge there with the steam and the espresso shot. Then I'm going to test the hot water. You can see the hot water. And if you need to ever reset the switch on the bottom of your Bezzera, you just take this cover off the bottom of the machine, and you can there's a little red button down there, and you can reset it if needed. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.